around the room, and you can physically move. You are motion tracked just like they are.
Okay.
So you're tied to Sam's location, so if he teleports somewhere, you go with him.
Can they see me?
They can see you as a floating camera in the air.
I love how it was.
So as we can see there,
Oh,
that's
camera.
them walking around. We've got the
Oh.
camera
Oh.
following Sam, and we've got Ryan here. Ryan, turn around. Yeah, we can see he turns around. I've also got these walls down here. I can pick them up and I can drag them around the place. And you guys can see that, right? Yeah. And if we turn right, I can modify the wall.
Camera's looking at me, this is creepy.
I can also make another one. I can make another wall, and I can box them in, and they will actually physically get trapped in that room if I place them in.
You look like Gollum.
So that's something that I can do.
You already look like Gollum. You don't need to.
I can zoom right in on them.
Do it anymore.
And if we go over here to Jeremy, we can see that Jeremy can actually see what Sam's doing. And if Jeremy walks around the room, he can walk around Sam physically, and it will stay. Should stay tracking. There we go.
It tends to zip.
Yeah. It's over the internet, so sometimes there's a bit of lag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's tracking the position of him on his phone.
It's on the phone as well. Yeah. I'm tracking. There goes Sam running around.
How does he get position of tracking there? Is it?
He's using. Yeah, he's tied to Sam. So wherever Sam teleports is where he goes. So I'm able to place objects into the scene using, as you can see on everyone's thing.
Cool.
You can see this moving around. I've got a tree. Make the tree sit right there.
This is what we were talking about, pretty much, yeah.
Pretty much, yeah. So the idea is that I can be a teacher and I can monitor with this or with Jeremy's controller. Jeremy can just see what the students are doing, whereas the student on this phone can build the environment using the instructions given to them by the student, who would be Sam or Ryan, that sort of thing. Yeah, okay, cool, thank you.